Hello everyone, this is the website we're going to build together. Click shop now. You can see the products right here. You can choose an option and you can pay with PayPal. You can add in your details and pay with PayPal. You can see the descriptions of the products right here, the emojis, all the necessary things of a shop to work. You can go to my account. You can see your orders right here, your downloads, addresses, payment methods, account details, and log out. You can go to the orders tracking page. You can track your products right here. You can go back to home. You can view the collections. And this is it. This is what we're going to build together. If you are interested, enroll now. I will see you in. Thank you very much.